Hi everyone, and welcome to this very brief guide on how to make a layer transparent. And I say very brief because it's very easy. So we will use let's see, we got a bunch of stuff in here. We'll just go ahead and use this Chicago school locations layer. I've actually already made this transparent, but I want to show you, actually forgive me, this one here. I'm going to show you how I did that. So it's already transparent here. Let's take a look at the back end of it. So you'll see if you click this little styles button, you're given the option to change the fill color. You'll want to click the fill color and you'll see this bar right here for transparency. So if I move this all the way to the right, it will be completely red. And of course, if I move it all the way to the left, all you're going to have are those boundaries. And you go ahead and put it in the middle, and we'll have that nice balance. Now, in places where there's overlapping of data, it's going to look darker. So that's a great way of looking at occurrences between layers or across one particular layer that has multiple components to it. You can also do that with the stroke too. I should mention that. So you can see you can make that really light and so forth. It also just adds a nice element and design-wise to any layer that you're working with. But again, all you got to do is go to that particular layer, click Styles, and then change the stroke or fill colors, transparency down here with the transparency bar. Thanks.